Start பண்ணலாம் மாமா.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's read the question.
Prove that root 2 is an irrational number.
Okay. So நீங்க சொல்ல தான் நான் எழுத போறேன், சரியா?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, let us assume that root 2 is a rational number.
Wait. Okay. Assume that
root 2 is a rational number.
Is a rational number, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
That is equal to P by Q, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
That meaning is a co-prime numbers. HCF of P comma Q equal to 1, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then?
Root 2Q is equal to P.
Okay.
Ma'am, and then upon squaring both sides.
Okay, wait.
2Q is equal to P square. 2Q square.
Squaring on both sides. That is.
Ma'am, 2Q square is equal to P square.
Okay. 2Q square is equal to P square. That is P square. 2 divides P square, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
2 divides P square. That implies 2 divides P. 2 divides P. Therefore, P is equal to 2 times some other integer P. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Already Q எடுத்துக்கொண்டா. So 2C.
Okay,
C is some integer. C is some integer. Then a substitute P is equal to C in the above line. So 2Q square is equal to 2C the whole square. It is 4C square. 2Q square. So divided throughout by 2.
2Q is equal to 2C.
2C square. That implies 2 divides
2 divides
Q square. That implies 2 divides Q also. It's correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Q also. This is named as a number 1 and this is not the number 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2.
From 1 and 2, root 2 is irrational.
From 1 and 2, 2 is a common factor of P and Q. That is from 1 and 2, 2 is the divisor. Divisor of P and Q. P and Q. This is contradiction to HCF of P comma Q is equal to 1. In the line contradiction. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Then this has arisen. Okay, this has arisen because of our wrong assumption. Correct? That's a wrong assumption.
Ma'am, therefore root 2 is irrational.
Correct. Therefore, root 2 is an irrational number. The irrational number. That's all. Hence proved. Doubt come?
No, ma'am.
No doubt.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next question now. So question number 22. Just read
ABCD is a parallelogram. Point P divides AB in the ratio 2:3 and Q divides GC in the ratio 4:1. Prove that OC is half of OA.
OC is the half of OE. Actually, the ரெண்டு triangle நமக்கு தேவைப்படுதுல்ல?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how to give the proof? Try பண்றீங்களா?
I'm think பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். Ma'am, we can find the.
Actually, we take AB side.
Is this coordinate geometry question?
Triangle level, similarity level.
Okay, ma'am.
Triangles level. Actually, we take this AB as a A and CD also A. So because of
Ma'am, so
parallelogram.
angle alternate interior angles we can.
Alternate angles are equal சொல்லலாம். நம்ம வந்து similarity வழியா வரும்.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so two angles are equal, so we can say that they're similar.
Correct, similar சொல்லிடலாம். But here we want to show OC is the half of OA. நீங்க சொன்ன similarity correct. நம்ம அந்த similarity கூட யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அதாவது
Ma'am, so we have to prove that half OC is equal to OA.
Yes, ma'am. Good. அதான் proof பண்ணணும். So in a triangle AOP and the triangle COQ. Okay. COQ. Tell AOP angle is equal to
ma'am, angle QOC. Vertically opposite angles.
Vertically opposite angles are equal, and one angle is alternate angles. That is OAP is equal to OCQ.
Okay, ma'am.
That is alternate angles are equal. By AA similarity. By AA similarity, the triangle AOP similar to triangle COQ. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
By CPST, AO by CO, OP by OQ, AP by CQ. Okay?
Ma'am.
But
okay,
நம்ம prove பண்ணனும் OC is equal to half OA and prove பண்ணனும்.
Okay, ma'am.
For proving that one, we have to use these two hints. Point P divides AB in the ratio 2:3 and Q divides DC in the ratio 4:1. So parallelogram we take AB is equal to CD is equal to some data as a A. Okay. So P divides AB in the ratio 2:3. That means is actually AP is equal to some 2x and
BP is equal to 3x.
3x, correct. Here AP need, okay, 2x.
So 2x plus 3x is equal to A.
Yes, correct. That is 5x, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So x is equal to A by 5.
X is equal to A by 5, correct? So AP by CQ only. Here CQ need.
Yes, ma'am.
CQ need. So also Q divides DC in the ratio 4:1. So DQ is equal to some 4x then 4x and QC is equal to simple x room. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So now AP place, so we can substitute it was AP is equal to x QC. That is CQ is equal to x. Okay. So we know that this is number 1. Now number 1 implies that AO by CO and last ratio as AP by CQ or QC. And AP place replaced by 2x and QC place replaced as a x only. And now AO by CO, that's x get cancelled, it's a 2 by 1.
Okay.
We want to show OC is equal, just cross multiplication, you could answer. So in next line cross multiplication, OC
is equal to 2CO.
Half OA, that's all. Is
Okay,
correct?
ma'am.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you have any doubt now?
No, ma'am.
No doubts. So, OC is equal to half PB. Yes, correct. Now, next question. Yes, 23rd. Okay. Read the question.
From an external point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. At a point E on the circle, a tangent is drawn to intersect PA and PB at C and D, respectively. If PA is equal to 10 centimeter, find the perimeter of triangle PCD.
It's already the question பார்த்திருக்கோம். Similar question இல்லையா? So, what is the relation between the tangent AP, BP and the triangle PCD? Please tell. So, I asked the question as the relation between the tangents AP and one more tangent BP and the triangle PCD. What is the relation between these three? Please tell.
Ma'am, tangent AP and BP are drawn from the same external point.
அதெல்லாம் ஓகேப்பா, நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு ப்ரூஃப் எழுதியிருப்போம். So we know that the result as a AP is equal to BP is equal to half the perimeter of a triangle. Half the perimeter of a triangle PCD, no? Say so, no?
Yes, ma'am.
The proof ஞாபகம் இருக்கா?
Yes, ma'am.
Proof ஞாபகம் இல்லைன்னா proof எழுதுவோம்.
Okay, ma'am.
Proof எழுதிடலாமா?
Okay,
so
ma'am.
in some questions the question எப்படி கேட்பாங்க அப்படின்னா, so AP is equal to, prove that AP is equal to half the perimeter of triangle PCD கேட்கலாம், or BP is equal to கேட்கலாம், otherwise perimeter of triangle PCD is equal to 2 times AP, 2 times BP கேட்கலாம். So
Okay,
numerical data கொடுக்காம just to prove that கேட்கலாம். ஓகேங்களா?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So இப்ப the proof பார்த்துடலாம். So we start with it's a perimeter of a triangle PCD is equal to just PC plus CD plus PG. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
PC, the middle term is split into CE plus ED plus PD.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
CE is equal to AC because of a tangent. So instead
Okay,
of
ma'am.
CE and instead of CE and ED, we replaced the equal tangent. CE is equal to AC. Sure. So little wait, ma. CE is equal to AC.
Okay, ma'am.
CE is equal to AC and ED is equal to BD. And PD. So take these two and take these two. So in side reason, AC is equal to EC.
Okay, ma'am.
Because of tangent, and same time as ED is equal to PD.
Okay, ma'am.
Now PC plus AC is equal to PA and BD plus DP is equal to PB. Correct? Say so, no? Is it correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is also same time PA is equal to PB. So we replace one by other. So PA plus PA. So PA, the one more PP also replaced by PA. That is 2 times PA. 2 times PA. So keep the term PA only in left side. So from that, PA is equal to half perimeter of triangle BCD. So we used as that PA also is equal to BP. That is a half the perimeter
of triangle PCD.
Sometimes the proof கேட்பாங்க. Okay. So
Okay,
இப்போ நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும் அப்படின்னா, here given that PA length is given. So PA length is given as a 10 centimeter. Okay, PA is equal to 10. Asking here as a perimeter of a triangle PCD is what? Okay, it's a half perimeter of a triangle PCD. So keep the top perimeter of triangle PCD on one side. That is 2 goes to right side. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. That's all. Yes, correct answer. It's a perimeter of a triangle PCD is equal to 20. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
So doubt irukka? 20. Yes, correct. Doubt irukka?
No, ma'am.
Okay. We move next question now. Okay, just read the question. First question. First 24
Okay,
first one பார்க்கிறோம் அப்புறம் all choice பார்க்கலாம்.
If tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, 0 degree is smaller than A
less than A plus B
is less than A plus B is less than 90 degree. A is greater than B. Find A and B.
Okay, this is easy one, illa? It's a 24.
Ma'am, so tan 60 will be root 3 and tan
yes,
30 will be 1 by root 3.
Yes, correct, ma. Tan of A plus B is equal to root 3. So from this line, we take this A plus B. A plus B is equal to 60 degree, la?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And the second one, tan of A minus B.
A minus B is
equal to 1 by root 3. So A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. So using these equations, by using elimination method, solving these two equations by elimination method, we will get A and B. So A plus B equal to 60. Write down the equations one by one. Now just add up together.
Okay.
They get cancelled. 2A is equal to 90 degrees. So A is equal to 90 by 2. So A is equal to 45 degrees. After that, we substitute this A value in any one of the two. Jefferson கவனிக்கிறீங்களா?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. So A 60 degrees. So B is equal to 60 minus 45. It is
25.
Oh, 15. 15 la. See, is it 15 or 25?
Yes, ma'am, 15.
15 only.
Ma'am, 15.
Yes, 15. So 15 degrees. Therefore, our A value is equal to 45 degrees and the B value is equal to 15 degrees. That's all. This is the answer. So, make doubt irukka? No doubts. Okay, our choice try பண்ணலாமா?
Okay, ma'am.
Just read the question now.
Find the value of x if 2 cos x square 30 plus x sine square 60 minus 3 by 4 tan square 30 is equal to 10.
Okay, try பண்ணிடலாம். So our question. Or write down the equation as a 2 cosecant square 30. X sine square 60 degree minus minus 3 by 4 tan square 60 equal to 10. Okay, just to say the value of the term 2 cosecant 30 is a sine 30 reciprocal.
Yes, ma'am.
Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. So here
Yes, ma'am. So 2 by 1.
Okay, x sine 60 is a root 3 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Root 3 by 2 the whole square. Minus 3 by 4. Tan 60 is a root 3. Root 3 the whole square is equal to 10. 2 square is a 4. 4 is at 8. Please simplify and say the answer quickly, please tell.
Okay, ma'am.
Simplify and answer சொல்றீங்களா?
Okay, ma'am. 3 by 4 minus
3 by 4 is a 3 here
into
only.
3
It's equal to 10.
is equal to 10.
Actually, LCM is a 4. Here by 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Take a LCM as a 4. 4 8 32 plus
32
3x minus 9.
3.
Not 3, 9. 3 3s are 9.
Okay, 9.
Now 4 goes right side. 32 minus 9. 32 minus 9 is what?
20.
So 23.
Ma'am, 23.
Let's go 23. 23 plus 3x is equal to 40. So 3x is equal to 40 minus 23. Okay. I seen somewhere we made mistake, I think. Indian mistake when I go turn 60 or tan 30 a question. Tan 30. Tan 30 man, the place tan 30. This is tan 30. So here mistake.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so 1 by root 3.
So 1 by root 3 also is 1 by 3. Left. This
Yes, ma'am.
3 cancelled. Rest 1 by 4 only. This is 1 by 4. Oh, la place matama. LCM is a 4. It's a 32. Plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 10.
31.
3x plus 31 is equal to 40.
Is equal to 40. So 3x is equal to 9, x is equal to 3.
40 minus 31, 3x is equal to 9. So from that line, x is equal to 9 by 3. It's a 3. Nine by 3, it is a 3 is the answer. So any doubt, Rika?
No, ma'am.
No doubts. So now we move next question. So here are also 2 questions here. Just read the 25th question fast division.
Okay, ma'am. With vertices A, B, and C of triangle ABC as centers, arcs are drawn with radii of 14 centimeter, and the 3 portions of the triangle so obtained are removed. Find the total area removed from the triangle.
Okay. So diagram போட தெரியுமா? So diagram போட முடியுமா?
இல்ல ma'am.
The diagram போட idea இல்லையா? So 25th.
Ma'am,
So 25th.
it'll be a circle inside of a triangle.
No, with vertices ABC are the centers. Arcs are drawn. with radius as a 14 and the three portions of the triangle so obtained or removed. Actually, this is a triangle. So we named as the points are ABC. This is A, this is B, and this is C. The arcs of length 14. Actually, this point A, one arc drawn like this, and is one more arc drawn, and with respect to B, one more arc also. Are you okay now?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now? Yes. So what are asking here? So here, the question is find the total area removed from the triangle. So three sectors are only removed, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Sectors and this sectors only removed. So now please try to say the correct formula. How to do? Just a summation of three sectors.
Area of the three sectors minus.
There is no need to remove minus sign. Just asking here is the area, some area of the arcs so obtained. Just this only. Another question was the radius 14 or three portions of triangle. So three portions of a triangle is then the moon sector matter.
Okay, ma'am.
Three portions of a triangle are removed. Find the total area removed only. Not asking here as to find the remaining area. So remaining portion sometime remaining triangle minus three sectors.
Okay, ma'am.
Remaining actually center la varadu mattum. So in the portion cover just this only. So அப்படியும் question கேட்க chances இருக்கு, but here that is not a question. Sometimes center மட்டும் கேட்பாங்க. That meaning is area of a triangle minus three sectors. But இங்க அப்படி கேட்கல. So obtained or removed. Actually, three portions of the triangle so obtained or removed. So find the total area removable only question mark. Just three sectors area only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
How to proceed? Each arc radius is a 14. This also 14. Everything is a 14. Okay.
Ma'am, so the one side of the triangle will be 28 centimeter.
28 automatically it will become equilateral triangle. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It's an equilateral triangle. Therefore, each of that angles, set triangles is 60
Sin
degrees.
60.
60 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
The required area is equal to now. The required area is equal to, we named as a theta 1 by 360 by r1 square plus theta by 3 by r3 square. Take the common terms all in outside. So theta 1 by r 5 by 360 so pi by 360 pi by 360 and theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Radius all are same, 14 level.
Yes, ma'am.
So 14 square is also outside. So 14 square is also outside. Just theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 all are equilateral. Equal angles only because of equilateral triangle. Sum of all these three has 180. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
14 is a 196. So 196, 360. This is 180. Yes, 2 times. Then, so 18, 1, 8 is or 16. This is 98 pi. Instead of pi, 22 by 7, 1, 7. Here 1, 7, 2 left over. That's 28, 4. So multiply 14 with 22. Is 8, 2, then 2, 10.
302.
Oh, 8, 308.
Okay,
Is
ma'am.
correct? Doubt irukka?
No, ma'am.
Is 308. That's all. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Doubt. Very good. So next question, நீங்க தான் idea சொல்ல போறீங்க, okay?
Okay, ma'am. National.
Wait. One more question is here.
Okay, ma'am. Find the
This
area of
question
the
is, this question is very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Very, very important. Very, very important. Many times asking in a board, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Just read now.
Find the area of the unshaded region shown in the given figure.
Okay. How to find? Please tell your ideas. Many times asking in board paper. But this question is very important. Maybe on school exam கூட கேட்கலாம்.
Okay,
அந்த
ma'am.
அளவுக்கு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸ்கூல்ல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா அந்த சம்ம?
No, ma'am.
நோவா? இப்போ வரைக்கும் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலையா?
No, ma'am.
ஓகே, இது என்ன டாபிக் கீழ வரும்? Please tell.
Ma'am, there are 4 semicircles.
Okay, then.
So will it be 2 circles?
Okay, என்ன டாபிக் கீழ வருது? என்ன சாப்டர் நேம் கீழ வருது?
Ma'am, areas related to circles.
It's exactly correct. Exactly correct. Okay, how to approach this question?
Ma'am,
Very
if we have to find the radius of the circle.
Radius of the circle. Circle is in where?
Ma'am, there are 4 semicircles here. So we can see that there's 2 circles.
Okay.
And 1 square.
Oh, very good. Very good. Very good. Your idea is good now.
Ma'am, but I don't know how we'll find the radius of.
Oh, actually, this is a semicircle. 4 semicircle, 1 square is in middle. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
How to say the middle portion is now square?
Ma'am, if we find the radius.
Actually, paranga, the side length is a 14. This.
Yes, ma'am.
is A, B, and C, and D. A, B, C, D. This is 14. Okay, this length is a 14. And this top has a 3. And the bottom is a 3. Okay. So 14,
Okay, ma'am.
14 minus 3 plus 3 is a 6. 14 minus
Yes,
6
ma'am.
is equal to tell 8.
8.
So in the portion, actually, from this top point to and this
8.
point in the lower end, all these height as 8. Similarly, here also, the horizontal wise also, same concept will apply.
8 centimeters.
Here also 8, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, இதை இப்போ எப்படி divide பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னா, so all are equal on your eyes vision. All semicircles are equal in size, இல்லையா?
Yes, ma'am.
The 8 is divided with 3 portion. Actually, this is 2. This length is a 2. Okay.
Okay,
2,
ma'am.
and this as a 2. Therefore, the remaining length is a 4. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
4 means everywhere, all the vertical line, all are 4.
Ma'am, so the radius of the circle is 2 and the side of the square is 4 centimeters.
Very, very good now. Very good.
So now we can find the areas.
இப்போ உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சுதா எப்படி பண்றோம்னு சொல்லிட்டு?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so
ஆ.
area area
Area of
of
the
two
square.
semicircles plus
A.
area of square minus
No, area of the
area of the
larger square
area of the larger square
minus
minus area of
sum of.
two semicircles plus
ஆ.
area of square small
ஓகே.
square.
ஸோ நீங்க ஒர்க் பண்ணி சொல்றீங்களா? சார் ரஃப் நோட் புக் கையில வச்சிருக்கீங்களா?
Okay, ma'am.
This question is very important. 1 year back கூட கேஸ் ஸ்டடீஸ்ல கேட்ட ஞாபகம் இருக்கு.
Okay, ma'am.
வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். மெனி டைம் ஸ்கூல் கொஸ்டின்ல வந்து ரிப்பீட்டடா கேட்கக்கூடிய கொஸ்டின் தான். Shading question only asking.
Area of square is side into side, right?
That's correct. $196. கரெக்டாமா?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here question is asked the area of a shading region or unshading region.
Ma'am, area of
Okay,
unshaded region.
unshaded region நமக்கு செப்பரேட் பண்ண தேவையில்லையே. No need to find the larger rectangle square. அதுதான் first கவனிக்கணும்.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Find the area of unshaded. Okay. That is the middle part only. There is no need to find the larger square. There is no need to find the subtraction. Correct?
Okay, ma'am.
The area of
Yes,
the
ma'am.
middle square plus 4 times equal semicircles area.
Okay, ma'am.
There is no need to find the outer square area.
Okay, ma'am.
செய்யுங்க பார்க்கலாம். So நானும் பண்றேன், நீங்கள் பண்ணுங்க.
Okay, ma'am.
Area of an unshaded region is equal to unshaded region is equal to. So the inside square name and name கொடுத்துக்கலாம். Some
Okay, ma'am.
PQRS.
Ma'am, points வரும் area of
இல்ல அவங்க வந்து பைலே ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. So 16 plus some terms pi. நம்ம சிம்பிளை பண்ணலாம், அப்படியே வைக்கலாம் வச்சுக்கலாம். PQRS plus 4 times equal semicircles. Semicircles area. So PQRS is a 4, actually this is 3 and this is 3. Therefore, this is a 4 and here 2 and this is 2. 4 square. 2 mark then 4 square plus 4 times semicircle.
Ma'am, is the answer 41.15?
16 plus 8 pi finish பண்ணிருக்காங்க. 4 times pi r square by 2. This is 16. 4 is cut பண்ணா 2. This is 2. This is 2.
Ma'am, I got 41.15.
வர
Because
Good by
22 by 7 into 2 into 2, 4. Ma'am, so 44 by 7. So 44 by 7 is...
வர 4. 4 times 5 வந்துரும். That is 16 plus 8 pi, correct? வந்துச்சாமா? வந்துச்சா?
Ma'am, நான் pi calculate பண்ணி செஞ்சிருக்கேன்.
தப்புல. 8 times 3.14 22 by 7. So 2 mark ன்றப்ப enough. You stop பண்ணிக்கிறது better தான்.
Okay, ma'am.
2 mark தான் இவ்வளவு போதுண்டா.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
so sometimes the area of the shading region கேட்டா என்ன பண்ணிருப்பீங்க?
Ma'am,
196 minus
area of square minus area of...
So நம்ம அதையும் போடட்டுமா இங்க?
Okay, ma'am.
Suppose area of shaded region கேக்குறாங்க. Shaded region is equal to largest square is here 196 minus 16 minus 8 pi. Okay. Okay, 180 வந்துருக்குமா? 180 minus 8 pi. Correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. இது தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறது best. So now section C குள்ள move ஆகலாமா?
Yes, ma'am.
Section C consists of 6 questions of 3 marks for each. Okay, next question. Please read the question, please.
National Art Convention got registrations from students from all parts of the country, of which 60 are interested in music, 84 are interested in dance, and 108 students are interested in handicrafts. For optimum cultural exchange, organizers wish to keep them in minimum numbers of groups such that each group consists of students interested in the same art form, and the number of students in each group is the same. Find the number of students in each group. Find the number of groups in each form. How many rooms are required if each group will be allotted a room?
In the sums already போட்டுருக்கோம் இல்லையா?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try to say. Actually, number of students in each groups. A national art convention got registrations from students from all the parts of country. Maybe some subject wise பார்த்திருக்கோம் இல்லையா உங்களுக்கு?
Yes, ma'am.
So for music 60 and for dance 84 and handicrafts for 108. For optimal cultural exchange, okay, minimum number of groups such that each group consists of students interested in same art form and the number of same art na ஒரு ரூம்ல வந்து handicraft மட்டும் தான் இருக்கணும் அப்படியே. And the number of students in each group is the same. Find the number of students in each group and number of groups in each art form. How many questions are asking here? This is the first question. Number of students in each group. Number 1 question. Number of groups in each art form. Number 2. How many rooms are required? Number 3. Okay, va? So, first one. Number of students in each group. என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? இது எந்த லெசன் உள்ளது சம் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
Statistics?
No. எப்படி ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ்?
தெரியுமா மேம்?
இன்னும் சம் நிறைய பண்ணிருப்போமே. இதுமே சம்ஸ் நம்ம பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணிருப்போம். மேத்ஸ், இங்கிலீஷ், சயின்ஸ். 3 category students. It's the first lesson sum.
Real numbers.
The keyword இருக்கு பாருங்க.
Okay.
இங்க keyword find number of maximum minimum. We should keep them in minimum number of groups. This is a keyword. Is minimum number of groups. This is a keyword. Okay, va? எதனால ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் சொன்னீங்க? ப்ளீஸ் டெல். Explain பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். ஏன் statistics சொல்லுங்க?
Because of the numbers were given, I thought it was statistics.
நம்பர் 3 நம்பர் தான்டா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. That
Yes,
is
ma'am.
no group கூட கொடுக்கலையே.
Okay, ma'am.
3 category of students இருக்காங்க. Okay. So for
Okay, ma'am.
optimal cultural exchange, organizers wish to keep them in minimum number of groups such that அதுக்கப்புறம் வரக்கூடியது எல்லாமே conditions. Each group consists of students interested in the same art form. So நம்ம groups டிவைட் பண்ணும் பொழுது ஒரு குரூப்ல இருக்கிற மெம்பர்ஸ் வந்து சேம் கேட்டகரியா இருக்கணும். And find the number of students in each group. ஒரு குரூப்ல வந்து எவ்வளவு மெம்பர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க அப்படிங்கிற அடுத்த கொஸ்டின். எவ்வளவு ரூம்ஸ் அலாட் பண்றாங்க, தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, சோ இங்க வந்து கன்க்ளூட் பண்ண வேண்டியது எல்சிஎம் ஆஃப் ஹெச்சிஎஃப். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெசன் கொஸ்டின் இது. சொல்லுமா
Ma'am, we have to find HCF.
Yes, good, very good. Okay, number of students in each group. HCF of 60, 84 and 108. Is it calculate பண்ணி சொல்றீங்களா?
Okay, ma'am.
So prime factorization போடலாம். 60 is a 2, is 30, is a 2, is 15, is now 5, is 3. And next number 84 is a 2, 42 is a 2, 21, 37. $27. 60 is a 2 square, 5 power 1. Okay. Now 84. 2 square, 3 power 1, 7 power 1. And 108.
Ma'am, 21 is the final HCF.
No. 21 சொன்னீங்க?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Somewhere you made mistake, I think. It's a 3 cube. So HCF means each prime factor have a lowest power only.
Yes, ma'am.
So looking all twos have a equal power only. So we take this as a 2 square. Okay, moving to 3 power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power 3. So least power here, HCF gets the least power 1. So 3 power 1 and 5. Only one line have a 5. All other have 5 power zeros. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And also similar 7 power 0. Is a 4 into 3. All other are 1. Is a 12.
Oh, 12. Okay, 21.
Is a 12. That is number of students in each group. Okay, now asking that number of groups in music. Number of groups in music. That is total number. Music's total strength is a 60. Now 60 divided by 12. So for music, 5 groups.
Yes, ma'am.
Is number of groups. Then next one is a dance. $84 by 12. It is 7. And number of groups. Number of groups in next one is what? Handicrafts. That is 108 by 12. It's 9 times. Actually, first question finished, number of students in each group as a 12. And so for music, number of groups is equal to 5. And for dance, number of groups is equal to 7. For candy-crafts, number of groups is equal to 9. And one more question also asking, there is total number of groups. Leah, total number of rooms. So number of rooms required. Therefore, so number of rooms required. Adding all the answers calculated above. 5 plus 7 plus 9. 1621. That's all. Sum over. So, இப்போ doubt இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு?
No, ma'am.
இது statistics அல்ல. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Statistics இருந்தால் meanங்கிற word வரும், medianங்கிற word வரும், modeங்கிற word வரலாம், or empirical relationship கேட்கலாம். Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
எந்த வேர்டுமே இல்லை கிடையாது. இந்த மாதிரி grouping சம்பந்தமா sum கேட்கறாங்கன்னா that is in. Obviously, it is in first lesson.
Okay,
3
ma'am.
different categories. நம்ம எல்லாம் பார்த்துக்கோமே பா. Some wooden log measurements, different log measurements கொடுத்துட்டு what is the maximum size log equally divided அப்படிங்கிற sums எல்லாம் பார்த்துக்கோமே.
Yes, ma'am.
இந்த beginning classes எல்லாம் பார்த்துருக்கோம். Some doubt இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Doubt
ma'am, no doubts.
Now, one more question one day. Hmm. 27th question, please read.
If alpha, beta are zeros of quadratic polynomial 5x squared plus 5x plus 1, find the value of alpha square plus beta square, alpha raised to minus 1 plus beta raised to minus 1.
Alpha inverse plus beta inverse கூட read பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, 27th question மட்டும் பார்க்கலாம். So 27 sums எப்படி பண்ணலாம்? Okay, the given
Ma'am, we'll first find alpha plus
the
beta
given,
and alpha
whatever.
beta.
It's a given that the equation is a 5x square plus 5x plus 1.
And so A is equal to 5, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 1.
Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus b by a minus 5
Minus 5 by 5.
That is equal to minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
This is alpha plus beta. Alpha beta also need. That is c by a is 1 by 5. Then we move to the division number 1. Alpha square plus beta square. Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay? Are you okay, da?
Yes, ma'am.
Now alpha plus beta place we substitute as a minus 1 the whole square minus 2 alpha beta is a 1 by 5. Just simplify it. We get answer 1 minus 2 by 5. So take LCM 5 minus 2 is a 3 by 5. This is division number 1 answer. Yes, correct. Now division number 2. Alpha inverse plus beta inverse. There is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Alpha beta. Take LCM here as a beta plus alpha. Doubt இருக்குன்னு சொல்லணுமா?
No, ma'am, no doubts.
Okay. Now the numerator is alpha plus beta. The value is a minus 1. Already calculated above. Alpha beta is a 1 by 5. Just 5 goes to the numerator. It will be minus 5. Some doubt இருக்கான்னு சொல்லுங்க.
No, ma'am, no doubts.
No doubts. So sums போதுமா இன்னொரு sum கண்டிப்பா பண்ணுமா?
Sums further, ma'am.
Enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So நான் போட்டுக்க sums உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பும்போது திரும்ப practice பண்ணி பாருங்க. Okay. நான்
Okay,
27th sum ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிருக்கேன். So next class வரும்போது 28ல இருந்து கன்டினியூ பண்ணலாம். சரியா?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
ஸ்கூல்ல பிரசன்ட் என்ன போயிட்டு இருக்கோம் சிஸ்டர்?
மேம் இப்போ ஸ்கூல்ல ட்ரையாங்கிள்ஸ் முடிச்சிட்டாங்க and next weekல இருந்து ரிவிஷன்.
நான் triangles நம்ம beginningல முடிச்சிட்டோம்ல.
Yes ma'am.
So can you say the statement of VBT?
Ma'am, a line parallel to the a line drawn from two sides of a triangle
No, no,
which
no,
is
no, no, no,
parallel.
no. புக்ல இருக்கிறது அழகா சொல்லணும். So நம்ம தியரம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ல ஓன் வேர்ட்ஸ் கொண்டு போது தப்பா எழுதிடுவோம்.
A line intersecting two sides of a triangle which is parallel to the third side divides.
No, ரொம்ப கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்றீங்க. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides at distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. பாருங்க புக்
Okay,
இருந்தா
ma'am.
ஓபன் பண்ணி பாருங்க பார்க்கலாம். புக் வச்சிருக்கீங்களா?
புக் இல்ல இப்போ இல்ல
ஓகே,
ma'am.
நோ ப்ராப்ளம். ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் மட்டும் அப்படியே படிக்கிறது பெஸ்ட். And converse of BPT?
Ma'am, converse of BPT.
If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, the line is parallel to the third side. If a line
Okay, ma'am.
divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
next class statements one, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
இதுல 2 mark செஷனும் 3 mark எவ்வளவு போட்டிருக்கோமோ ப்ளீஸ் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி போட்டுட்டு அனுப்புங்க, ஓகேங்களா?
Okay, ma'am.
ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் பார்க்கலாம். டேக் கேர். பை.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
பை.
Thank you, ma'am.